Every word problem such as this is a story. It could be a real life story or fiction, although in most cases it's fiction, but it is a story nonetheless. So what does this mean for you that is about to solve it? It means that you must understand that story first. When you understand it, then you can convert it into an algebraic story or a mathematical story before you can solve it. So, to understand it, you need your own life experiences, the things you know. For instance, let's look at this question now. It's talking about a streaming service giving you 2 charges. This is just like Netflix, although Netflix doesn't charge you a sign-up fee. But if you didn't know that there was a streaming service, you won't be able to understand this question to even attempt solving it. So that's what I mean by applying those things you know in life that are even not mathematically related to solve the problem. So let's look at this. So if you want to stream on this service based on the question, you have to first of all pay a $4 sign-up fee. Then after that, you start paying a monthly subscription fee, which is plus. What is that monthly subscription fee? $9. But you won't just subscribe for 1 month. So as many months as you subscribe, you keep on paying. So if you subscribe for M number of months, then you pay $9 M times. So the total amount you would have paid will be $4 plus 9 times M dollars, where M is the number of months you subscribe for. So in Jordan's case, is the same amount he will pay, 4 plus 9 times M, which is equal to 58 for Jordan, as the question told us that what Jordan has paid so far is $58. So this is the answer. Very easy. As we progress, you will see that 9 times M is the same thing as 9M. So this is also an answer. But at this stage, we can take this. So M is how many months Jordan has paid for. You can see our website for so many other exercises like this. Thank you for watching. Keep studying, and remember, it's all connected.